औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी व यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। जी स्टूडेंट्स, today I am going to present the quiz of Pakistan Study 2059 and I will present the quiz of Term 1 Unit 2 of Grade 1 and these are the titles of the books. So let's take a start. Number 1 question is describe the mining method. Answer is adit mining. The seam of mineral is exposed on a slope and is approached through a tunnel from the side of hill. Next is shaft mining. The vertical shaft goes down the hill till it reaches the seam of mineral. Then direction of mine can be changed according to the seam of mineral deposit. Number 3, open cast mining. If the seam of mining lies close to surface, the mineral is scooped up with the help of excavators and power shovel. Number 2 question, what is quarrying? So the answer is quarrying is an open cast mining. The useful part of rock is cut off with help of hand tools, parsa and explosives. Number 3, name one non-metallic mineral extracted in Pakistan. Answer is marble. Number 4, state the meaning of term mineral exploration and mineral extraction. And the answer is mineral exploration means searching out for minerals and the mineral extraction means working and taking out the mineral from mines. Next question, what are the hurdles in the way of mineral development? And the answer is lack of capital, technical knowledge, experts, government priority and mismanagement. Remote deposits have difficult access. Next question is, what is mixture of rock salt and water called? The answer is brine. Next question, what are uses of limestone? And the answer is limestone is raw material for cement. It is used in manufacturing glass, soap, paper, bleaching powder and paints. Next question, which is the mineral has the most widespread deposit? And the answer is limestone. What are the uses of gypsum? Answer is it is raw material for cement and plaster of Paris. It is used to manufacture fertilizers, paints and prefabricated boards and used to treat salinity. Next question is, what are the uses of celestite? Answer is tracer bullets, firework, paints and plastics. Next question is, what is meant by subsistence fishing? Subsistence fishing is done on small scale to fulfill or meet family food needs. Next, what is commercial fishing? Answer is commercial fishing is carried out at large scale, usually mechanized boats and large nets are used. Fish catch is on large scale to earn or make money. Next question is, name the 3 types of marine fish caught from coastal areas of Pakistan. Here are different type of fishes and the answer is shark, drum, croaker, skates, ray, herring, mackerel, sardines and shrimps. Next is name the fishing tools used for fishing. Answer is nets, floats, winches, fishing rods, nylon rope and hooks. Next question, name the major fish importers of fish from Pakistan. Answer is Sri Lanka, China, Hong Kong, Korea, Japan, United Kingdom, USA, Germany and France. These countries import only marine fish. Next question, name the largest fishing products of Pakistan. Answer is shrimps. Why fishing is not practiced from May to September in coastal areas? And the answer is due to rough sea in monsoon season and restriction from government due to breeding season. Next question is, name the fishing ports of Balochistan and the answer is Jiwani, Gwadar, Pasni, Omara and Somiani. What are the uses of fish? Answer is fish is source of nutritious or healthy white meat and has low cholesterol. Oil extracted or taken out from fish is source of nutrition. Fish waste is used to make fertilizer and poultry feed. Next question is name fish harbour or ports located on Sindh coast, and the answer is Karachi and Korangi fish port. Next question is why fish processing called value added? Answer is fish processing increases profit many times. Next, differentiate between marine and inland fish, and the answer is marine fishing is done in water sources or reservoirs in the interiors of the land like rivers and lakes, etc. Next question is name the types of inland fish catch, and the answer is Rahu, Palla, Thalla, Manasir, carp, trout, Gulfam in Punjab and carp in Sindh. Next question is what were the objectives of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in Aligarh movement? The answer is number 1 to build confidence between the government and the Muslims, number 2 to persuade the Muslims to acquire knowledge, number 3 to hold back the Muslims from the politics. Next question, what and where was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan born? So the answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born on 17th October 1817 in Delhi. Next, what was Nana Sahib's grievance against the British? British refused to grant him pension which they were paying to Peshwa Baji Rao II. So this is Nana Sahib and this is Peshwa Baji Rao. Number 27, explain the term doctrine of lapse. So the answer is if a ruler dies without having son, British would annex his land is called doctrine of lapse. Next question is mention 2 economic factors which became the cause of the first war of independence in 1857. The answer is heavy taxation, forced evictions, discriminatory tariff policy. Next question is name the last Mughal emperor of India. The answer is Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor of India. Next, who was the Governor General during the revolt of 1857? It is obvious from the picture that he was Lord Canning. Next, who was the prominent leader in Lucknow during the revolt of 1857? And the answer is Begum Hazrat Mahal. Next question is what were the social reasons for 1857's revolt? And the answer is the English could not establish any social relationship with the Indians, and the racial arrogance of the British created a difference between the rulers of the ruled. What was causes of Indian revolt according to Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? Answer is poor management, lack of Indian representation in the government. Next question is who was Lakshmi Bai? The answer is she was Rani of Jhansi. Name the famous throne of Mughals, and the answer is Peacock Throne. What were the reasons behind Muhammadan Education Conference? And the answer is to raise funds, established new schools and colleges. What was EIC? Answer is this was British Trading Company founded by a group of merchants with the permission of Queen Elizabeth II. Next question is when EIC founded? EIC founded in 1600. This is the building of EIC. Next question, when East India Company first landed in India? And the answer is in 1608. Who gave EIC trade permission? The answer is Shah Jahan. Next question is which things EIC bought from Indians? And it is obvious from the picture that spices, silk and cotton. Next question is who was loyal Muhammadan of Indian? And the answer is the book wrote by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question is who was Tipu Sultan? Answer is he was Sultan of Mysore who fought bravely against British. Next question, who established Scientific Society? Answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established the society. What was Urdu-Hindi controversy? Answer is Hindu demanded that Hindi will be second official language. This demand shocked many Muslim leaders. And then who betrayed Tipu? Answer is Mir Sadiq. When was War of Independence fought? And the answer is it was fought in 1857. Who was Mangal Pandey? The answer is the first sepoy who refused to use new greased cartridges. Who was the first Governor General of India? Answer is Warren Hastings. So very best of luck to you students. Allah Hafiz.